Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations.
And also Megan. I didn't know how to say your name.
You don't know how to say my name?
I said I didn't know I was going to have to say your name.
Oh.
So, you can see what we're advertising here, which is Fort Worth Fabric Studios.
Tis on my shirt.
And I'd have to get up here.
Let me get shorter. There we go.
And you want to turn around so we can see the back?
No.
It's got Texas on it.
It's got Texas on it. Yeehaw.
There you go, the state of Texas. And they're offering those shirts. That's funny. And yeah, I lived in Texas growing up. All right, so today is, hold on one second. Okay, we're back. My coffin fits over.
Bigger in Texas.
All right, so first off, they have two colorways.
Don't you be coughing again. I'm going to get you in front.
Okay, you can pat my back if I cough again. No.
Oh, it registered a second later.
So we have the red. Didn't want the glare on it. That's the red package. And here's the green. And this is called the Suddenly
It's called a piece of paper she's reading from because nobody can remember it.
Suddenly Summer Quilt from Fort Worth Fabric Studios. And the PDF patterns are going to be posted weekly on Mondays on their website. That's where you get your pattern from. It's a free pattern. And the dates are June 14th, 21st,
June 21,
28th,
June 28,
July
12,
July 12th, and July 19th. Good thing I got the piece of paper.
Can you piece of paper?
And then we have our long arm quilting services. I'm going to hold this up so that you can, look at all the shadows.
This is holding it
there we
up.
go. Okay, wait a minute. There we go.
I think they got it.
Okay. Let's hold this up too so we can get that one. In case I didn't. Don't, honey. Alrighty, so I'm giving away the green. Everything is the same except this has the green gingham behind the flowers. That's the difference. And you will get the fruit salad.
Yummy, yummy.
Ooh, there we go. Pattern. Wait for you to say something.
No.
So if you want this, please make a comment. You do not need to be a subscriber. Just make a comment, and then we will have a drawing as soon as possible. How about a drawing tomorrow? We'll put this up and have a drawing tomorrow. Does that sound all right?
I'll give it a couple days so people have time to enter.
Okay.
Smile. You're on camera.
We're going to do the drawing so that I can get your name and get this out on Friday because I'm off this Friday, and that's when I can get it out. Okay? All right, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.
You don't need to tell me what to say. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe,
and
ring the little bell. Click on the little bell, and then you'll get notices of the next...
Turn on your notifications.
There you go. Well, I don't know why she just doesn't say it for me.
Yeah, because we need to learn some things, you know.
And did anybody notice that we're
sharing
something? Yes, we're sharing. And it's the wild card. All right, bye everybody.